Hey there, 5th and 6th graders. We're on some ninja stars today. The videos you see online, some of them are good, some of them are not. It's just sort of the way things are. What I'm going to be using, honestly, if I were you, you do not have to do this. This is your choice. You got to use what works good for you. However, what works well for me, I'm going to share that little secret, is I use the step-by-step. Notice there's a light paper and a dark paper. I'm going to be looking at this by myself when I show you this procedure. So I'm not making this up from my head. I am memorizing it. I am not that good. I need to have something to look at, otherwise I will forget what to do. So I want you to, it shows you a little paper. First step is I take papers, I'm going to make them like this. So basically they're going to be copied. So I'm going to go like this, step 1. And doing both at the same time just makes sense. It's just faster. So I line it up carefully, and I'm going to crease it. Once I have it, I'm going to open it up, middle line, and I'm going to bring this down to meet that point. I'm lining it up, creasing it. I will do the same thing, make it crispy, a nice crispy fold, crispy like a nice piece of bacon. So make it like bacon, crispy. Once you've got it crispy like bacon, I'm going to go ahead and get this other side on this one, same thing. So it looks like a little locker. I like to say at the beginning you make 2 lockers. Once I have the 2 lockers made, again I'm going to look at my sheet, okay? I'm looking at the sheet. There's these little arrows. These little arrows mean that you're going to like turn it that way. So that is sort of like the secret to doing it. Arrows, again, are indicating direction. So if I'm looking at it, I'm like, oh, okay, the one that's here, I'm going to make this one be the light one. That one will be the dark one. That seems to make sense with the pictures. I'm going to go ahead and fold this in. Okay? So the opening is to the left. I'm going to fold it in. Once I have it in, according to the pictures again, I want to make one on the left like this, the one on the right like this, and I want to keep them in position. So it looks like it's open like this, opens like this. This is going to go down like that. The other one looks like it goes the opposite direction. So I'm going to just sort of make it go like this. And then I look at it. I compare it. Yes, that looks like that. So then I do the next one. This one is going to go like this, bringing it down to the right. This one should end up with a point at the bottom. And so I'm caught up to that point. So I have this there. That's what it looks like. That's how you can judge if you're in the right track, okay? Once you've got it, it gets a little bit fuzzy. If I look at this, this is a little confusing to me. I look at the looks like the light one, the one on the left, is going to get folded. This arrow says like, this means like that way and fold it over. This one says that one goes the other way and fold it over. What the heck does that mean? Let me show you, okay? This is what that means. You're going to take this, and see how you can end up with a tip up here? You want to end up with a tip, okay? This should sort of ish line up. I mean, I've done this other ways where you fold it in the middle first to get a line, but see, this lines up. Okay? The one is to the right in the picture. The other one says go left. So I do the same thing. I hold it down, and I try to get this to get like a nice peak. Here, I'll have this old cell phone that I use as my kiln watcher, my kiln camera. And I'm going to just throw an object on here. I need something. Throw that on there. That's going to hold it down, because otherwise, as soon as you let go of it, it's going to pop, it'll flip over, it'll get all confusing. Keep it flat. The next one, according to the picture, this one's going to go left first, and then right for the bottom. Left, and then right. So I make this triangle, go left. So I'm looking at it, is it sort of triangle-y? Yup. This one's going to go like this. Yup. Yup, yup, yup. And see, there's how it pops loose, it gets all weird. So I'm going to find another object. Here, hand sanitizer. I'll throw that over there. So I've got my 2 pieces. When you've got your 2 pieces, now comes the put together part. The put together part can confuse people. So I'm going to like move my things that are holding it down, try to hold it, and get it in the position. I want to make it look like the picture. According to the one in the picture, the bottom one has these flaps, okay? And the top one looks like it has a line. These are like they're opposite of one another. So I go like this. See how it makes a pinwheel? Also, looks vaguely familiar to some certain symbols that I've seen before. It looks like a symbol or a pencil. And now I'm going to go ahead, according to the picture, it's got some weird stuff going on there. I don't have a pencil. I need to try to, let go of, I just fell apart. See, I should have put something on it. That's why I might have some pre-made ones. So I'm going to put this on here. And I'm going to take this and have this wrap around, like it's giving a big hug to it. It's going to wrap around and fold it in. Oops, this is getting messed up. So that one went in. This one is going to go over here. So this tip is going to go there. So I use the existing spot. It might get a little messed up. Push it in. Push it in. I try to squash it and get it. As soon as I let go, the thing is going to just explode. So you got to keep your hands on it. So I'm going to flip it. And now I have this mess. This tip is going to go over here. So I'm going to take this, there's a little piece of weird paper there. Try to get this to come over, or actually I think I'm supposed to be more over here. Oopsie, see, this is the wrong spot. Oopsie, right there. I want to go more over here, as that's where it sort of seems to be working. Tuck it in. Wiggle it into submission. It's like a takedown wrestling. You got to hold it, take it down, keep on pushing. Don't let go until you get the tap out, or you get your time. This tip is going to go over there. There is no way you're probably going to be able to get this with just your plain fingers. This is why you want a pencil and maybe some glue bottles at your table and some scissors just to have there as like little weights and things you can use as tools. So I'm going to poke that in there and I'm going to just mash it, and as I move it around, I'm going to fiddle with it, that part in there. It's basically set. This part I can move this. If I keep on wiggling it and smushing it, I could probably get that a little bit nicer. But basically it's set. Some people will put a little tape around the center portion. There you go. Origami Ninja Star. If you can do this, you can do lots of other origami that is also very, very cool when you choose your own. Thanks, guys. By guys, I meant people, okay? Let's stop.